Hello everybody, it's me. I'm here to show you these menstrual cups, okay? These are for people who still have their menstruation or every month. And thank you to the people who sent this to me for my opinion. This is not me who has it anymore, thank God, but it is. A lot of people still, of course, have this. And I want to show you what I think about them, and that's what they sent it to me for my opinion. So back in the day, there was the pads and the tampons, and that's what people were using for the most part. The pads started first, tampons came next, and this is the next step up. Okay, let me show you what came in the box first of all. What came in the box is these two bags to hold these cups in, and then it also had the manual that right here, which you really definitely need to look through if you're going to use this. And this is what they look like. They look like this. This is the bigger one and the smaller one. The smaller one, let me show you this way too. So, if it's a young kid, young person, they may start with this one. And if it's, you've been around for a while, you probably use this. It's very much like a tampon because it has this thing that you can pull it out, all right? And what it reminds me of is the diaphragm. So when you put your diaphragm in, you basically almost put it in the same way. You hold it. Let me just show you the bigger one. You hold it and you squeeze it like this, and you put it inside of your cervix. You put it inside. Then when you let it go, it pops open, causing a suction, and that is how it holds in the blood until you're ready to take it out. You should start with, according to the instructions, you should start with having it in like 3 hours and then check it, see where it is, the level, and then you'll know more or less how often that you need to change this. Then once you do change it, once you get it out and you change it, then you need to sterilize it and probably get another one, or probably have more than one of these, I would think, so that you could put the new one in and go on. But that's how it's used. People seem to like it better because it holds more than a tampon. You don't have to change it as much, is what they're saying. But this thing here will pull it out. That's why it's here. That thing pulls it out, then you dump it out and you going about your business. But this is a new thing that they're using now called a menstrual cup. There you go.